Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back with a brand new video for you guys once again today. Now today we're not going to be doing any tech unboxing, but we are going to be unboxing some phone cases finally. We got us some new phone cases in for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we got us a couple other accessories, so stay tuned you guys. We're going to get started right after this. You guys, so we are back and we got us a new sponsorship today. Today's video is going to be sponsored by carve.com. They were kind enough to go there and send us over a couple of their products. We got phone case, a charger, a wallet, and some knives. You know we need them unboxing knives, man. I think this unboxing knife, this may be my new favorite. So let's go ahead and open this bag up. I already got it open up partially because of what's on the back of it, but let's go ahead and put everything out the bag. So I've been doing my research and looking at the company, and I can tell it's a fire. So inside the bag we got this nice graphic right here. It simply says, I'll simply put you rock and create work, I think it's so. Yeah, we got a nice little piece of paper right here. If you guys can't go ahead and see it, it's pretty dope and everything, honestly. I love it. Definitely want to say once again, thank you so much, Card, for sending these products out to me. But let's go ahead and get it open because I'm ready, man. I'm ready. So here go our first item right here. It looks like we do have, ooh. Look at this beautiful case, man. So the cool thing about them is they have a design for these cases, but since they are hand carved, everybody ain't getting the same case. You get the same concept, but you ain't gonna get the same case. So this case right here is mine. Y'all want to see this. If y'all see this, y'all probably stole it from me, you know. So that's that phone case right there. And then yeah, I mean, I was gonna put this since I thought it was just like the charger, but nah, this right here, take this out the bag right quick, out the bubble wrap, I should say. This right here is their Magsafe compatible charger. So, you know, no more of that boring Magsafe charger. We got something from carve.com where they sent us a product where it's gonna connect to your phone, man, you know. And look at the design of, you know, it matches the case. They have several products on their website where you can go ahead and match them up. Yeah, they're gonna be under different names, I mean, but who cares? Now, the cool thing about this is this. You know the iPhone, they come with a 20-watt charger. 20-watt charger that comes with the freaking charger itself, with the wireless charger at that. Apple didn't do that. We bought the phones, got the wire, but had to go buy the brick ourselves. But the brick comes with this, so that's pretty dope right here. We'll leave that right there. And then this last product we did receive from them is going to be from Carved Knives. This right here is their, oh, I got a wallet too, I forgot. But let's unbox the knives right quick. Let's put this to the side right quick. This knife, look at the packaging. The packaging is just dope. It's an all black knife, all black case. I mean, everything about it is just black pretty much. Go ahead and open that case up right quick, flip up design. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. This is dope. This is dope. I'm putting it up here, but I still see my face is still up in there. Man, this is beautiful. This right here is I wrote some notes down for because I'm not that familiar with knives, but this right here, it has a Tanto style blade, and it is also made out of all stainless steel as well. So I'm gonna figure out how the heck I can open this up. Like I said, I'm not a knife guy like that, but whew, this one fire. This one straight fire. I don't even know how to open this one up, but hey, don't get mad at me, y'all. Like I said, I'm not a knife. Oh, found it. A little slide right. Yo, look at this. Look at this knife. I mean, this is from their stealth edition. Now they do have regular knives. Well, I want to say regular. They do have other knives that, you know, you can go out and get that will match your phone cases as well. If you're that type of person, you want to go to get all that, you can definitely go ahead and get that as well. But man, this knife is beautiful, and I think that I will be using this as my new unboxing knives for sure, because we're gonna put that to the side as well. And the last thing we did receive from Carve is going to be this beautiful wallet. And this wallet right here, it can hold up to 5 cards, so that's a pretty cool thing about it. And it has another unique design. That's a good thing about Carve as well. Every product they got is unique. not everybody gonna have it. So I got the black one. This is exactly the one I wanted. 5 cards, and you can hold cash in it, and it is RFID proof. So what that means basically is this: if I walk up to you on the side of your wallet and I try to buy something through Apple Pay, you ain't doing it, bro. You ain't doing. Look, I'm gonna make sure I say RFID. Yeah, RFID. Yeah. That's it, man. That's what we got right there from Carb. So what we're gonna do is just we're gonna take our phone down and yeah, man, we're gonna show y'all everything that's on the, you know, on there. And so we got an iPhone 13 Pro Max down. Another cool thing about this company is, well, they're not that average company that, you know, that only makes stuff for Apple. They got Samsung cases too, and I think they have a couple other brands as well. I will go ahead and put their website on the screen real quick to show you guys, you know, the different phone manufacturers, the different phones you can get, man. But let's go ahead and put that case on right quick. Man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, I like that. This is gonna be my official case. I'm not gonna lie. It's nice, it feels great in the hand, and it's not one of them hard cases, and it covers up the screen pretty good. So that's, I like it. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. I'm excited. Oh yeah, I can see myself. What's up, yeah? How y'all doing? You said you need some Mountain Dogs. Okay, I got you. So that's that right there. Now let's go ahead and try the Magsafe Charger with the case on there. Bruh. How many companies do y'all know that actually puts magnets inside their case for a low price as well? Because these cases ain't that expensive. But the details on them, the details in this Magsafe with it, man, that's dope. That's dope. And the thing too with this charger, take the case off, pop it right back on there. Just pop it right back on there. Now I do think this will, like I said, this is a USB-C charger at that as well, and the brick comes with a USB Type B. Yeah, the male portion of it as well, or this may be the female portion, I forget. But yeah, that's attached to it as well. Come on, man, y'all just gotta go shop with them. Go ahead and head over to carb.com. Go pick up yourself some new phone cases. If you need a new wallet, pick them up. Your boyfriend birthday coming up, or your husband birthday coming up, your grandpa, your father, it doesn't even matter. Pick him up one of these. He needs one of these. These are super thin. Matter of fact, it's thinner than, it's about the same size as an iPhone. So why not go ahead and pick him up one of these, you know? You know he ain't gonna get hacked. So go ahead and pick him up one of those. Go ahead and get yourself a phone case, and go ahead and get yourself a Magsafe charger, because guess what? It comes with a 20-watt brick. Just like that. You don't have to go buy an additional one for 20 bucks. And don't let me forget the knife. Go get the knife, man. For all you hunters, that knife is, all you YouTubers that unbox, get it. Stop buying them little fancy knives. That knife right there, that's all you need. That's all you need. But anyway, guys, that is going to be the end of this video today. Like I said, go ahead and visit carb.com. They will be in the link below. And everything that I got today as well will be in the link below as well. Go ahead and visit them, make a couple purchases, do some reviews as well, and mention my name, and you may get a special surprise from me. All right, you guys, like I said, we are out of here. Until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.